Hi everyone, my name is Vincent Tematungo. I'm the founder and CEO of Africa at Work. We're back to announce a succession of conference and forum series which start by next year 2021. Special guests and experts in their field, especially from Africa, will join us to discuss and tackle different businesses and investment subjects, among them how Africa can boost and recover the global economy after this pandemic of COVID-19 via the untapped potential resources it has. As private sector, we will work closely with Chamber of Commerce, investors, CEOs, and public-private partnership, which is PPP. The New England area will be the start point, include Portland, Maine, Manchester, New Hampshire, and Boston, Massachusetts. Event calendar will come out soon. Africa at Work event will be cultural exchange, and participants will have the privilege to enjoy Africa traditional dance and local cuisine. You are all invited. Hello everyone. This is for Ethiopian Industrial Park overview. The government of Ethiopia has placed a high focus on industrial park development and expansion. Industrialization has become a national priority for Ethiopia for two reasons. First, Ethiopia is an agrarian country. In consequence, we need first to transform the raw material of our agriculture to be processed and sell them on the global market. China was the largest investor in 2019, accounting for 60% of newly approved FDI projects with significant investment in manufacturing and services. Light manufacturing, agro-processing, textile and leather, those sectors will be developed for export. Ethiopia plans to increase the number of operational industrial parks from the current 4 to around 30 by 2025. Bololemi, Hawassa, Mekele, and Kambocha are the 4 industrial parks that are already operational. The country is targeting 1 billion of annual investment in industrial park. Hawassa Industrial Park, eco-friendly and the first of its kind in the continent, Hawassa used the latest technology for treating and recycling about 9% of the water used in the park. The park is the first sustainable textile and apparel industry park in Africa, currently using 60,000 workers in its first phase with 18 global leading textile and apparel companies and 8 domestic investors have occupied the park. Kilinto Industrial Park. Kilinto will be a mixed-use park, and the number of destinations for manufactured in agro-processing, pharmaceutical, electric and electronics products, wood and furniture, both for export and to serve local consumer. What to consider if you invest in Ethiopia? First, one of the fastest growing economy in the world, with a GDP growth averaging 10%. Second largest market in Africa, with a population of 180 million and a rapidly growth middle class. stable climate for investors, and low level of corruption. Several government policies aimed to attract FDI inflow are in place. Example, over 30 bilateral investment, promotion, and protection agreements signed. Addis Ababa seats of the African Union and United Nations Economic Commission for Africa. Competitive incentive package, cheap labor force, and rapidly increasing number of trained employees. Any industrial park enterprises is eligible for an income tax exemption period averaging 8 to